Simple morning drinks to melt belly fat. Do you not fit in your favorite pair of jeans anymore? The work-from-home culture has made most of us gain some extra kilos. Because we all are guilty of delaying our weight loss goals, now is the time to get started and get rid of the extra weight, especially the bulging belly. Here is a list of 5 metabolism-boosting drinks that you can have on an empty stomach every morning. These drinks aid weight loss and help you lose overall body weight. It is best to have these drinks in the morning because that is the time when your metabolism is at its peak. Zeera water. Zeera is a must-use spice in all Indian curries. And Zeera water is an excellent low-calorie drink that boosts digestion and helps melt belly fat. It works wonder in suppressing hunger and speeding up the weight loss process. To make the drink, add a teaspoon of Zeera in a glass of water and leave it overnight. Strain the drink and have it empty stomach the next morning. Saunf water. Saunf, called fennel in English, is a traditional remedy to combat bloating and indigestion. Fennel seeds have diuretic properties that help detox the body. Detoxifying is closely interlinked with weight loss. Fennel seed helps by boosting the metabolism. To make fennel seed water, mix a teaspoon of fennel seed in water and leave it overnight. Strain and drink the water the next morning. Ajwain water, also called carom seeds. Ajwain seeds help in boosting the metabolism. Ajwain boosts digestion and helps in better absorption of nutrients. 2. Make the drink. Soak 2 teaspoons of roasted ajwain seeds in a glass of water overnight. Strain the mixture or just mix it well and have it the next morning. Lemon water. Lemon water makes for a refreshing drink after a long tiring day. If you also like having lemon water, here is some good news. Starting your day with a glass of lukewarm lemon water can do wonders for your body. The drink is packed with antioxidants and pectin fiber, which helps in melting the belly fat. To make the drink, take a glass of water, squeeze some lemon juice and add a teaspoon of honey to it. Drink on an empty stomach in the morning to boost your metabolism and lose extra kilos. Green tea. Green tea has become widely popular over the last few decades. The drink is full of antioxidants, catechins, known to boost metabolism. Do not add sugar to the drink to reap the maximum benefits, though you can add some lemon juice to enhance the taste.